What's up, guys? So the car is currently on jack stands. Right now I'm just waiting for FedEx to arrive with my package. Got some good stuff coming in. Meanwhile, while we wait, we're going to install this. It's an O2 sensor spacer. Recently I've been running into some check engine lights due to the fact that I have a catless downpipe, so it's showing up that it's running lean. It's going to be placed at the back of the downpipe, so all I gotta do is thread this on and it shouldn't be too hard.
Two hours later.
Finally! So what we have here is a pair of ignition coils. Now these aren't ordinary 1.8 coils, these are actually for the 2-liter turbo engines. We're gonna do a coil conversion. The coils are direct plug and play. You can pretty much take out your old 1.8 coils and plug these in and it'll work. However, to keep the coils from moving around, you're going to need a mounting bracket. There's different styles available from other places, but I got a good deal on this ECS tuning conversion kit with the hold downs included. I'll be changing my spark plugs as well. What I got here is some NGK Laser Platinum PFR 7B spark plugs. And to top it all off, I got a red ignition wire cover. Put it all together and you have a stage 2 ignition tune-up. So there you have it. Everything is installed. Let's just start her up, see how it runs. Hopefully there's no misfires. I did buy the second pair of ignition coils from Craigslist from a guy. They are supposedly brand new, so I guess we're gonna find out if they actually work or not. Almost forgot, but before I start it up, I gotta clear all these codes that I got. I have a few of them actually. I got one for the SAI, EVAP, and the O2 sensor that was giving me that lean condition. So let's clear these real quick and we can start it up. And we are ready to go. Alright. That's what I like to hear. It's running pretty smooth right now. I can't say that I feel a difference from before. There's no check engine light popping up. Doesn't sound like any misfiring happening. Don't mind all that chatter you're hearing. It's not rod knock, it's actually my throwout bearing. Coils are looking good. There's no misfires or anything like that. So we're gonna go give it a test run. Make sure that these coils are working properly. I've been driving around for a while. Everything seems to be in order. Now I do notice a quicker throttle response. It seems to react better, unlike before there was a slight lag with the throttle. I've also noticed that the idle is much more quieter than before. When I'm in traffic I could barely hear it sometimes. Overall, in my opinion, I think it's a good investment for a tune-up. It makes it function better and much more smoother. So I just tried starting my car up again, and now my starter decided to shit on me. Now it's completely dead. Doesn't even turn over anymore. I mean, if you've seen my other videos, you'll probably notice that it's been grinding like crazy. Pretty much begging to be replaced. So I had to haul ass to AutoZone in my Civic and pick up a starter for $163. But hey, I got a rewards coupon for 20 bucks. And if I return my broken one, I'll get 30 bucks back for a core charge. So it shouldn't take me more than 30 minutes. I have everything out of the way, so it'll be quick. Got the new starter in. I'm gonna start her up. Did you guys hear that? Sounded like a damn velociraptor. Some Jurassic Park action. According to the instructions, I gotta start my car at least 3 times just to make sure that it's working properly. I guess you can hear my Raptor again. Kinda sounds like a turbo spooling as well. Well, at least I don't have the starter grind anymore. Alright, I guess that's it for today. Did my ignition tune up and change my starter. Other than that, thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for some more content. Like, comment, and sub if you haven't. And I'll see you guys on the next one.